In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make a read-only document in Microsoft Word. If you want to make a read-only document, it means you must first make the document as final, meaning you have made all the editing and you want to save or make the document that you had already prepared as read-only and no further editing should be done on the document. Doing this is very much possible. Just follow these steps. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to this channel. Now I have here a Word document and I've already even saved this document, but I wish to go ahead and make it as a read-only document. To do this is pretty simple. Just head over to File here and then from File, go to Info option and click on it. Now under this, look for this option called Protect Document. If you click on Protect Document, you have quite a number of options here. Go ahead and click on Mark as Final first. So I'll click on Mark as Final, and here you're told this document will be marked as final and then saved. Go ahead and click on OK. And now we are told the document has been marked as final to indicate that editing is complete and that this is final version of the document. So I'll go ahead and click on OK. And now if I go ahead and open the document, now you can see the document is here and it is marked as final, meaning you cannot edit. And if I go ahead and try to add any text anywhere, you can see it is impossible. You can't edit this. However, should you want to make some changes on this document, go ahead and just click on Edit Anyway. And this will enable editing on this document. And now you can make your changes. So that's how you can protect or you can make a document read only in Microsoft Word. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.